Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can create a drop down menu in Shopify, and it will be a complete step by step breakdown video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So actually you can see our website over that place. There's a navigation bar we have in the top, that is home, catalog and contact, but this is not a drop down menu. It is a completely simple menu. I set it here, but if I converted it into a drop down menu, how could I do it? The easiest way to create a new menu and make it proper way, then you will find out your drop down menu. So here, let's go. If you want to create a menu, you just need to go over here into the content. Once you click over here, then here you will find out these menu options. After need the files, you just need to select this one, and once you select, where you will get this menu section where you will find out that main menu is created, then footer menu is only into the search. Let's see our footer menu. Here you can see this is the search, then customer account menu like shop and orders, they will find out. So I want to create a new menu, just click over here, and here I will search it or give a name that will be drop down menu, drop down. And here I am going to add a couple of menus, that will be home, and just search for the link. Here I attach the home page, then I am going to add the contact page. Contact, only contact will be good. Then I will click, and here I will find out the page that there is no contact page yet. So let's find out where is the contact page, what is the problem. Let's remove this one, remove, and just click to the save and come back to our online store and go to the page. And here you can see the contact page is visible. I think there is a problem I maybe had, so you just need to save it. Once I click over here, now let's come back to the content again and click to the menus, same, and just go to the drop down and click to the contact, and here I will find out the contact page. So let's go, let's click to the page, and here you can see actually contact, this is the contact. So now I am going to make a shop page. Just click to the shop, and here actually you will have a couple of things, the products. So I will click onto the all products, then click to the save. Now I am going to differentiate it. Let's go and let's set it up here first of all. So I just need to customize the theme, and I will shift my menu through this drop down menu. So here I will come to the editor zone, and here I will just click to the header. As you can see, when I click to the header, then here we have a couple of things, and here you just need to find out the menu options. Here I am going to click this one, and I am just going to replace that menu with this drop down, and just click to the save. And now here actually you can see that the theme has, like, the navigation has been changed. So I will come back, and now I just want to add the drop down menu for boys. Let's search the boys, then product, find out the product. Here I will associate it with this one, just click to the boys, then I just need to replace it this way, just this way. And here actually you can see it already become underneath the shop. Just save it and just come back to our online store and click this way, and here actually you can see that our drop down menu is working perfectly. Now let's refresh this editing zone also, and let's try to see it, does we can do or any changes over that place. Let's go, and here menu type is mega menu. Let's make it drop down, and here actually you can see this is working perfectly. Now let's save it and let's refresh it to, as you can see what we did, we changed the menu, we changed the menu type, then sticker header always. Then here you just need to see that your menu. Let's refresh this one, and now eventually you can see that drop down menu is perfectly working with your website. So in this way you can add the drop down menu over that place. So I think let's wrap up the video here, and if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.